The fastest bird on Earth. Meet Peregrine Falcon. How fast? Over 240 miles per hour in a dive. That's faster than a Formula One car or a bullet train. It spots prey from high above, then folds its wings and dives like a missile. Found on every continent except Antarctica, it's a master hunter targeting birds mid-air with pinpoint precision. Its sharp vision, curved beak, and insane speed make it a sky predator like no other. Small, silent, and unbelievably fast. The Peregrine Falcon is nature's ultimate jet fighter.